This is Leighton Stepford Road. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now standing at platform 1 is the 1657 AirLink Service to Airport Terminal 3 via Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Wharton Newton, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3. This train is formed of 6 coaches. First class is located at the middle of the train. Platform 4 for the 1658 Stepford Connect Service to Benton. Calling at Rocket Parade,
Welcome on board this
Wharton
AirLink
Newton,
service to
Upper Staplow,
Terminal
Hampton
3.
Hargate, Benton Bridge and Benton.